Alright, welcome everyone to Ryan Richard Slots. I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with my beautiful wife, Michelle. Today we're going to try our luck on a game called Bao Fu, the Firework game. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, our ticket is in $175.93. We're going to do penny denom. Now these are the progressives up above that we will be playing for. Wow, check out the fireworks, the double up and ultra spins. Alright, we'll try 264 a spin. And hopefully we can get those fireworks to land and get in a bonus. So we need either the purple or the red ones to land. Oh, the mini, $30 mini. Oh, that would have been for the ultra spins. Come on, red too. Come on, get all three of those fireworks to drop. There we go. Do it.
Gotta be close.
Yeah, they're right up there at the top. The green one just went up another,
Up a notch.
yeah.
Another level.
It's too bad that this game doesn't have a random trigger in it. That'd make getting the bonus much easier. oh, wait, we got a bonus. Oh, the extra spins.
Present extra spins.
And that was the lowest one.
Yeah, that was the lowest one. I guess it doesn't matter where they, are. All right, let's get some big numbers to land. Come on. Fill all the positions up for the grand. Can we get something with letters maybe to drop?
Come on.
Oh my goodness, all these numbers keep on and nothing's sticking around. Oh, jeez. I can't believe nothing's landing in those first two reels. There, I think the mini was just about to land.
Come on.
All right, got the whole top row. I guess slow and steady wins the race. I saw that mini, like 2 or 3 times land a mini. $30 mini. Oh, wow.
There we go. 3 more.
Yeah, no kidding. Then you win the grand. They're there. 2 spins remaining. Come on. Last chance. Save it. Oh. 4 spins, 2 spots. It's showing. Come on, drop one. Oh. Last chance. Oh, the minor. $60 minor. Oh, but nothing's in there.
Come on.
I was definitely not expecting that minor to drop. Yeah, you gotta have it.
Is it looking good?
No, it's gotta be in there in order for it to land. All right, still not a bad bonus. Let's see how we did. can't believe we got the mini and the minor right next to each other to drop like that. That's never done that before. All right, 121.50. All right, we'll do a few more backup spins, and then I don't want to push my luck on this one. We'll be off to hopefully find the next lucky winning slot machine. We'll play it down to 225. See if we can't trigger that purple and red one. Purple, do it. Oh, I mean, look at that. It's right up at the top.
Yeah, but
That's the one I.
it was
Yeah.
way at the bottom. Like it wants to go, but it must be pretty hard to get those.
Yeah, I thought for sure, if anything, it'd be the purple or red that we would have triggered, but we'll take what we can get. All right, a few more spins. Do it. All right, last spin coming in. Oh, I think that's wild. All right, do a couple more. Oh, it's got a chance. Do it. Oh. All right, last spin. All right, and that's where we're going to call it a session on the, I'll just call it the Firework game. Everybody knows that. I butchered the name of it. We ended up getting the extra spin feature. I started the session with like 100, was it 160, I think? Cashing out 225, so small win, but a win nonetheless. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.